Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to delete area highlight from your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element, select file option and select here open and simply click on this highlight and here you will find this pop-up delete option and simply select delete. Again click on this highlight and pop-up delete showing or press delete key from your keyboard, also delete. And image also applied area highlight and see this. In this way you can delete all of this highlighted and annotate and see this. Yeah, all of this highlighted now remove and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.